111 disbursements in one day. Naka-date. Do you confirm that?
Wala po akong data nung number
This
po.
is about December 23,
Ah.
2022. Nakalagay dito, date, December 23, December 23, December. Binilang namin 111. Isang araw, no, totaling 17 million. Pagka ganyan ba, would you consider that usual? Disbursement, 111 disbursements in one day?
Wala pong specific provision yung circular as to that.
Yes, but the circular says to prevent irregular, excessive, di ba? Extravagant. So, would you consider this, does this fall under regular, irregular, or you wouldn't know?
I wouldn't know po.
Okay.
Pero that's unusual po, pero I wouldn't know if it is irregular since wala naman pong provision.
So we come back to the term unusual. Okay.